Welcome back, everybody. Today we are back in the woodhole. As you can see, there's a tiny bit of snow. We had a rain episode and snow in the high country for 2 or 3 days straight. So yeah, the road has been they're finished with the road, the spur road that comes into the woodhole, and they left it open. The little side road off the spur road, goat trail, whatever you want to call it. I just call it the woodhole. Anyway, we're back, and we're back to that grand fir that we fell on in the last videos with the square ground chain on the ported 500, and I also have the stock 500 with a shorter bar out with a 24-inch bar on it and full house factory Stihl chain. So anyway, we're just going to do a little bit of limbing and a little bit of bucking. I got a chest mount for the GoPro. We'll see what that kind of footage produces. And yeah, welcome to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you. I'll try not to yap a whole bunch. I'm just going to like I said, do a little limbing, a little bit of bucking, and enjoy this nice morning in the woodhole. The skies are breaking up, so we could possibly get a little bit of sunshine before we get out of here. I see blue sky, so the sun might poke through. I sure hope it does. It'd make it great. Make it great. It's great anyway. I love it in here. I just love the woodhole. And so many of the subscribers and people that watch the videos enjoy being out here and seeing the woodhole. All right, so let's get it started and see what happens. Like I said, this is square ground chain on the square jig from Square Cutter. It's the 45-degree kit that you can get from Ed at Square Cutter or squarejig.com. That's where it's at. Go check it out. And the CBN wheel. We're going to do a little bit of testing between the CBN wheel and the and a regular stone wheel. Okay, not today, but in the future. I just want to run this one some more with this square ground chain, and something about square ground chain and bucking firewood, and even bucking logs if you're logging or whatever, if you're cutting stuff for the mill. Square ground chain can be a bit finicky, and it can wander on you if you're not paying attention. It can wander on you just from just a tiny bit of side pressure, right, left, like left, right pressures will make that chain, because the side of the side plate, it's like when I shave on the face cut, it's doing the same thing in this kind of a cut. So if I lean on it a little bit too much one way or the other, it can do this, and it can cut at an angle. It can cut a half moon, and some people might think, oh, my rakers are off or something like that, and it might be that. It might be your bar. It could be your bar is wore out or needs dressed up, but it also could just be you. It happens to me. I do it off and on. I do it. I'll get lazy and I'll just throw it to the wood, and I'll cut and whatever, and it'll start to wander and do things. It just happens. But it's because of the square grind. So bucking a log in the cut is different than it is with round grind or round hand filed. Okay, just a little tip for folks that are getting into the square grinding thing. It acts different in the cut. It acts different on the stump, and it acts different in the bucking scenario. Okay, just thought I'd throw that out there. Sorry, I'm still yapping. Let's get the cutting, TazMan. Let's cut. Get her fired up. It's already warmed up. Done its tune thing. It's done its deal. So let's get with it. Yeah, let's get with it. Huh? Okay, if you noticed, I didn't cut all the way through these ones, right? Because... Okay, just a short voiceover. When the saw fell off of this log just now, look what it did. Look at that crack. Can you believe that? I broke my 500i. What do I do? Anyway, just thought I'd show that. That's what I was mumbling about when it fell off that log. After a while, I noticed it. What's up with that? Didn't hurt the filter. Didn't hurt nothing like that. Still holds it tight. Doesn't let no fines in still. It's all good. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. It's on the ground right there. So I waited till the log was off of the ground before I cut all the way through, right? Then I'll just roll this over and zip what's left, okay? That's, if you're wondering why I didn't cut all the way through on that, that's why, okay? Now I'm off the ground for a ways further, and it's off and on as the log goes on, right?
Hey!